Arrive in style with this Ford 2019 Mustang Shelby GT350. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, GT350 equipment group 900A, handling package, dealer installed, technology package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo, radio data system and radio, B&O sound system by Bang & Olufsen. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.